city. Anything you want to see vlogged, any questions, just hit me up, and we'll just talk about whatever you want to talk about more than anything. I was going to go for a bit of a fast ride, but it seems the weather does not want me to do that today. So as it's going to be a bit slippery, we'll take it a bit more easy for now. I overtook a few cars, but so be it. Let's see what's going on, shall we? Yeah, the weather's definitely changing now. As I said before, this bike round corners, it just doesn't feel the best. I love it, and it is my first big bike, so I'm never not going to love it. It's a very good bike, to be fair. Time, as you can see on my clock here, it's 3 o'clock, so I reckon we're going to get caught in, well, I say we get caught in traffic, we're on a bike. I reckon there's going to be some traffic up here. Oh, look, a red light. That means I'm straight to the front. Seems to have stopped raining now, so fingers crossed we'll be okay. Although I can see a lady with an umbrella. Come on then, let's get home, shall we? I do love the sound of this exhaust. So for anyone that's interested, it is a full system Scorpion, I believe it's called a Serket taper or something. It was actually built for a Honda CBR 650R, which is a couple of years older than mine. I got a right bargain on eBay, 300 quid for a full system. How can you beat that? And when it sounds this good, you can't beat it whatsoever. I'm technically a bike, so I'll go in the bike bit. Just take it a bit easy, it looks a bit greasy around here. This weather's changing. It's not very often I come out when it's raining anyway, but now this weather's changing. We're not going to get many more of the dry days. We are the 14th of October it is today. By the time this video is uploaded, it's going to be more like the 20th. But any hope of a dry day on a Saturday seems quite remote at the minute. Me and Let's Ride POV will try and get out as and where we can, but to be honest, it's getting more and more difficult with our own sort of schedules, work schedules with kids. So you might see a few lone rides. occasionally ain't bad, but it's nice to ride with friends. We've been to quite a lot of places over this summer and last summer. As I said, I've done the TT, the Isle of Man TT. We've done the Rutland TT. We've done the Peak District. We've been pretty much anywhere that's got a motorbike shop. As we've both definitely got the bike bug. I won't tell you spend more money on gear than the other one, but I'll just say I'm the one in RST. I bought these gloves quite a while ago and I think they're sick, to be honest. Smiley face gloves. Someone should see that, shouldn't they? See what I mean? The lack of torque sometimes is just... I know I'm still doing 30, I'm still in third gear. But going uphill, it's just like, come on, a little bit more, please, a little bit more. Don't you? Come on, mates. I want to get home before it starts raining. Fucking indicate, you twat. Taxis and buses are the worst, really. I was going to go around there, but as there's a lot of traffic there, I think we'll go this way. Oh, that exhaust does sound nice. Right, let's have a look down here. Get to the front, shall we? Right, I just wanted to talk about, obviously on my previous video, I mentioned about changing bike. I've had a lot of comments suggesting bikes. One person in particular said about a Honda CBR1000R. What a suggestion, honestly. I'd never even thought about it. But I mean, the more I think about it, the more I think, well, what an idea. The power it will have, it's going to give me the comfort, it's going to give me the reliability, and they do look smart as well. Especially with a rear seat cowl. I do like a rear seat cowl. They do just add something special to the bike. I have never carried pillion, so what use have I got for a pillion seat? I saw you, Mr. Ambulance, don't you worry, sunshine. Mentioned about the CBR1000R, he's spot on. His thoughts are exactly the same as my thoughts. When it comes to the MT10, it looks like a fucking transformer. I bet it'd be a nice bike to have, but you've got to like the look of your bike as well, haven't you? Thank you. This is where we're going to start seeing a bit of traffic, I think. Mr. Lexus, move over for me, please. Right, let's have a bit of fun. God, that van is filthy. Jesus Christ. Look at the state of that. I mean, I thought my bike was bad. That looks like it's been in the bottom of a river. Surely it gets to a point where you think, okay, it's a bit dirty, I'm going to give it a clean. Can't believe how filthy that was. Right, come on fellas. I love having a bike. Oh, what's that? R1. Right guys, thanks very much for watching. There will be some more vlogs coming out. I will be still posting some without me speaking, without vlogging. Just a pure engine noise. Because I'll be honest, I love the noise this makes. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone.